How to hide a whole sheet in Excel. Your typical Excel workbook, the file you're working in, can get loaded with plenty of worksheets, each sheet indicated by a tab at the bottom, which you can name. Hide a sheet if you want, rather than delete it, making its data still available not only for reference, but also available to formulas on other sheets in the workbook. Right-click the bottom sheet tab and select Hide. When you need to find it again, you have to go to the View tab at top, click Unhide, and pick the sheet name from the list that pops up. There is also a Hide button on the View tab menu at top. What happens when you click that? It hides the entire workbook you're using. It looks like you closed the file, but Excel keeps running. When you close the program, it'll ask if you want to save changes to the hidden workbook. When you go to open the file, Excel gives you what appears to be a blank workbook, until you click Unhide again.